In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make different columns for all groups on Monday.com. Whether you're managing projects, tracking tasks, or organizing workflows, customizing your board to suit your specific needs is essential to staying productive and efficient. Let's dive right in and explore how you can create different columns for each of your groups within Monday.com, enabling you to tailor your work environment precisely to your needs. First, navigate to your Monday.com workspace. This is your main hub and where all the magic happens. It's important to start here because this is where all your boards and relevant projects are located. Once you're in the workspace, the next step is selecting the board that contains the groups you'll be working with. Boards are essentially collections of various groups and tasks that help organize your projects into manageable sections. Choose the board that's relevant to the tasks or projects you're managing. Now that you're on the correct board, look towards the bottom where you'll find the option to add a new group. Click on the plus Add Group button. Adding groups is essential as it sets the framework for organizing your items and tasks under specific categories or projects. Each group represents a set of tasks that can have its own unique set of columns. With your groups set up, it's time to populate them with the main items or tasks relevant to each group. These items represent the core of what you're managing, whether it's a project component, a task that needs to be completed, or a milestone to reach. Adding items is crucial because they are the granularity that allows you to manage and track progress effectively within each group. To further organize your items, you can add subitems. Subitems provide an extra layer of detail that can be crucial for breaking down tasks into smaller, more manageable parts. This could include the smaller steps necessary to complete a task, assigning responsibilities, or tracking progress on specific components of an item. Now comes the versatile use of subitems as group-specific columns. By treating subitems as columns unique to each group, you can effectively customize the information tracked within each group. This allows for greater flexibility and customization, as you can tailor columns such as status indicators, due dates, or responsible parties that are specific to the needs of individual groups rather than applying the same columns across your entire board. To wrap things up, by following these steps, you've effectively harnessed the flexibility of Monday.com to customize each group with its own relevant columns. This not only enhances visibility, but also empowers you and your team to manage your projects with precision and clarity. Remember, the key is to keep adjusting and refining your setup to perfectly align with your workflow needs. Thank you for watching, and I hope this guide helps you optimize your productivity with Monday.com. Keep experimenting and finding what works best for your unique situation.